Hey guys, AI can help investors analyze data faster, spot trends, and make smarter portfolio choices. Here's how to leverage them. Firstly, predictive analytics. Platforms like Kavot or Tikron use AI to forecast stock trends and market movements. Secondly, portfolio optimization. AI can automatically rebalance your portfolio based on risk, sector exposure, or real time news. Sentiment analysis. AI tools can scan social media, news, and forums to detect public sentiment on crypto, stocks, or ETFs. Risk management. AI flags overexposure or high volatility assets before you invest. Pro tip, use AI as a decision support tool, not a crystal ball. Right? Always combine AI insights with human judgment. Investors who integrate AI typically see better returns, smarter risk control, and faster reaction times. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.